I'm Brian Pollick, Park Supervisor with Metro Parks Toledo. Today I'm standing at Providence Dam here at beautiful Providence Metro Park. During the winter, we have a team of 3 in operations that consist of myself, Becki Braley, who is a park technician, and Lorenzo Melchor, who is park maintenance, who you may have heard of on our popular podcast, the Metro Park Pod. It truly takes all 3 of us to take care of Providence and Benview throughout the winter season each and every day.
We work hard on our to-do list. One thing that frequently shows up is the removal of downed limbs and trees from our trails. Once we check out our trails, it's time to move on to refurbishments of picnic tables, benches, and grills for the upcoming summer season.
We know what our visitors like: clean restrooms, safe trails, and litter-free areas. We also ensure that our paths, sidewalks, and roadways are free from debris, snow, and litter. We also take care of our rental facilities, making sure they are clean and cobweb-free. The other thing that is a priority is maintaining the water level for our historic site. Keeping the water flowing is also a priority.
Together we take care of over 8 miles of trail, which include the towpath, parts of the Miami and Erie Canal, as well as all of the surrounding areas in between. Not to mention the Volunteer, our replica canal boat, as well as the historic Isaac Ludwig Mill. We, with the help of volunteers, keep Providence clean, safe, and natural all year round. We hope to see you here.